presenting a pre-owned 2017 Jeep Grand Cherokee. This four-door SUV has a six-cylinder, 3.6-liter V6 engine with four-wheel drive and an automatic transmission. This Jeep has less than 98,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 18 miles per gallon in the city and 25 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Key features include auxiliary audio input, satellite radio, speed-sensitive volume control, wireless data link, roof rails, power windows, rear privacy glass, window defogger, air filtration, front air conditioning, cruise control, power steering, universal remote, digital odometer, external temperature display, tow hooks, trailer hitch, airbags, anti-lock brakes, braking assist, power brakes, child seat anchors, parking sensors, seatbelt force limiters, power door locks, stability control, traction control, power sunroof, automatic climate control, Bluetooth, Sirius satellite radio, and leather seats. Call Tim Bowe at 770-554-0300. Thank you for choosing Graham Automotive.